is another New Black World Order TV Productions. Chopper. Grand Rising family. So it's a deal. It's been solidified. The date and the space where we're going to have the lecture about cracking the codes, or the numerical cracking of the codes of Islam, of its 114 chapters. I appeal to members of the Nation of Islam, Moorish Science Temple, Nation of Gods and Earth, and the Muslim community in general to come out and hear information that I believe, without a doubt and without a fact, will be the first time that you have ever heard about that which you hold so dear to your heart. I also want to make an appeal to my Christian family and all those people who may not be in religion at all, who may be into science, for this information would be appealing to you also, right? So come on out. It's at the Richmond Public Library, downtown Richmond, Virginia, at 1 p.m. sharp. You don't want to miss this. This is going to be information, as I said before, that's not regurgitated, not information that you have heard before, but something that the eye have never seen, the ears have never heard, and I think has never been in your heart about that which you hold so dear to your heart, which is the 114 chapters of the Quran. This is King Shah of New Black World Order TV. Always remember that we trust information, but we must verify it. We measure and we cut once. We measure twice, we cut once. So please come on out. This is a lecture. It's going to be an hour information-packed lecture here in Richmond, Virginia, again at the Richmond Public Library downtown at 1 p.m. on the second floor. Peace, love, light, and progress.